No way, yeah. So welcome to ntwanano Premium Gin. Yeah, my nigga. Yeah, what up? So introduce yourself. Iman ntwanano, Uma Queen and all that.
Ovito Skumbuzo Dlamini. No ma kwala thula mahashi Bushback Rich.
All right. So it because you also own Xikatsi record label. I don't know whether it's yours. Xikatsi record label, and how many artists in your stable?
Xikatsi record label sungde from the love of music. But since under an opportunity to notice talent, then I noticed school. Ningakota kufuna bangwani laba mina babona akashaku bashikota kimbelele. So that's how Xikatsi Entertainment started.
And then how many artists have you signed?
Yeah, 3 artists living under Xikatsi Entertainment.
So Roger Scott, are you eating Xikatsi?
Xikatsi is a trend.
Hey, because Xikatsi is a trend, man. So I wanted to know, it's all about Xikatsi or Njani. Then also, I also had a room, man. Can I see? Or Kenny's? Because we saw him on your channel or MTV Base on your trace. Then the rumor he was put or he was plugged in there by Xikatsi. Is it true or what?
Yeah, we working with Kenny's. Kenny's is family guy. So it's part of Xikatsi Entertainment.
No, man, like channel owner. Did you play a role? Like channel owner.
Since in Xikatsi Entertainment, we both played a role. Playing a role for providing the show I love a show. So we both played a role.
Okay. Then this song, ntwanano. So you got EP. Are you going to release it or what?
Yeah.
Or EP or a mixtape?
Davana EP by November, end of November. Shushu, one of our artists, Xikatsi Entertainment. Our keeper EP. Yeah, so the track ntwanano is very part of the EP.
All right, because we're Xikatsi, you are man of very talent, because no one like or no, you have also founded you and your brother Premium Gin.
Yeah.
Ntwanano. So itenjani? How did it come about? A Premium Gin.
Oh, ntwanano actually ibitora maluma me. So yeah, I got an idea. I think during lockdown, Sakura lockdown, I just channel.
Oh, nakwenela.
So yeah.
Oh, because the mama kwalelo was already say but
you could idea card. Yeah, but shakite the first page then when I lockdown, then yeah. Mara you meme career. So when just a gap on the market, yeah, gin 2020 gin Erica space shako everyone. I like I trending. Yeah, so we saw the space and the opportunity, then we decided to jump in.
Oh, because I've also seen our artists or maybe our business people from Bushback Ridge, they ventured into like your sneakers, your clothing brand, but when you decided no, we're going to maybe to go the gin route. What was the concept behind?
Yeah, the concept.
I'm different from others or what?
Not quite, but
what influenced you also? Yeah,
you can't go wrong with consumables.
And some things are already in the economy. It's doing great.
Yeah, so it's something like economy. It's on the chat. So yeah, when you're you sure?
All right. And then like ntwanano Premium Gin, the flavor thing, and also what influenced the flavors. Because we have seen the brillianto, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, and the gin in 3 flavors that consist of ntwanano Premium, crystal clear, then ntwanano Premium pink gin. So then we have the Kana gin that is infused with weed.
Weed?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
Man, never lay a weed.
Oh, we're not going to level.
Ina le pahatsa nyana, eh.
Kita level.
Eish, ya.
Come ka ba usa pitong.
Oh, ye go na le go na le pahatsa nyana. Eish, ya.
Sebenarnya le mbangi so paja.
Oh.
Meeting akhona.
So process.
Yeah.
Okay,
Go on, Charmaine.
Okay, so process le gore le te khotse le tsweletse this gene e se pedi byang o ebile byang because right ba bangwana ba berekisa ditsela tse le gore a di similar ong ne. So ke ye ka go tse gore e simple byang distillery all of those things.
Yeah, it's not a simple thing. Especially if warn a certain expectations so because we did a lot of research. Yeah, and well, so the process distill. It's just a distillery process. Not yet Tula Mahash, where the distillery in Magaliesberg.
Oh, I did namo straight. Oh,
so yeah.
Ya kula phela we dzela ka ba manyana shulungulesha ish ka distillery in but
in dawo le dzala je kwa ka ko
mutla bush utela ba yenza madleka la afan
na we distillery yabo process.
Oh, but this one is the professional
distiller.
Oh. Charmaine, another question or come from one.
Okay, before when are the grapes more potleleng mo?
The grapes say. How many the grapes ka
these are berries. So
it's berries.
Yeah, so berries are part of the ingredients that are used during the process of producing a smooth gin.
Oh. Yeah. That but berries not of fun bagel. Oh. Okay. So then what kind they want to know korna ntwanano gin we butushkat. Ishkuma kwi.
Ntwanano gin. Kumeka kuna page from Twitter, Instagram, all pages ntwanano_gin. Then we also have a website www.ntwananogin.co.za. So that's where you can get it.
All right. Ogna page na ka social media.
Page.
And also global patlelewa it's so professional
Yeah, professional done.
Yeah, so
even ka shupetsa those guys rantwe.
So
social media.
Xikatsi, any plans of like ite go tse fihle mo ditolo?
Yeah, we're still working on that.
Yeah.
We're still working on that. So it's a big process, but we're working on it, and it's gonna happen very soon.
Oh.
Mara meni lava twanano xikatsi. Ya ku ufake xikatsi nyana. Ike because phela la ta khaya mfu ya xikatsi ya ku rita xikatsi nyana.
I know itava ko. Anything is possible. Yeah.
So where can these people follow you on social media pages and also follow Xikatsi? Ntwanano gin.
Okay, Xikatsi Entertainment. Yeah, Xikatsi_@entertainment. Then ntwanano gin. As I said, ntwanano_gin. Then my personal, it's just Xikatsi.
What on the Xikatsi ndod?
Shimanga 9 lives.
Okay, then also your last words to the up and coming entrepreneurs, the brand,
yeah.
How can you motivate them?
Just start and be humble. Be willing.
Oh, humble was cut.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
So humble. So be willing to learn.
Yeah.
Don't look down on anybody.
Yeah.
Because people have a lot to offer. Yeah. And unity. Young people must unite. Yeah.
That's your last word.
Yeah, those are my last words.
No, Xikatsi, ne? Thanks very much, and also to the Ntwanano Premium Gin.
Yeah.
And also to Xikatsi record label.
Yeah.
You can sing go for Eva studio. So we hope Guru one day when you produce something also come through. And also when the mixtape say mixtape say Fedi Xikatsi Entertainment or Xikatsi Fire. When it's done, please come through. Yeah, because in a home can I see?
Yeah.
It's a blessing. I think it's blessing. Name of the song. So coming from the Xikatsi record label. Thank you very much, guys. We're wishing you all the best. le matlhoeng le mpelo re go bona one day this brand in national platforms because I've seen where you've been professional hip hop session 2 weeks back. So this guy is one of the banner. They came with the banner. Xikatsi to mo mona kana no le. Yeah, so big up guys. And also exactly.
If you give us a give us a catalan.
Oh, go sa katlan. So ntwanano job these or one of our events in Bushbuckridge, you find them there. Wakarawana the branding yabo na kana mo. So big up, it shows professionalism. So big up Xikatsi, big up to ntwanano Premium Gin. So thanks very much guys.
Thanks.
Next time.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you.
So Charmaine,
Yeah.
the blessing.
Oh, okay.
The blessings.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. How much is it?
150.
Oh, 350.
Yeah.
Would you like the flavors?